Hello everyone. Last year I uploaded a video. I said I was planning go to Hainan province, use the motorcycle, go through the island railroad during the China New Year vacation. But during the China New Year vacation, I was taking care of my child, so I don't have time to go there. I even bought this action camera to take video and photos. And now I already resume work. I work every day, just get exhausted and very few salary. And I don't know what time I can go. I can have time, I can have budget to go to the Hainan railroad to drive through there. I still planning. I still want to go.